Hello dear friends, in this session let us understand what are the polynomials. Now first of all, you all know what are the expressions. Constants and variables are combined with various operations in various ways to form what is known as expression. For example, constant 2 multiplied with x will give you an expression. Here the constant 2 is called coefficient and x is called variable. Now here constant 5 multiplied with variable y to form another expression. Here 5 is coefficient and y is variable. Now these two expressions can be combined using another operation like addition, and you get a combined expression or a bigger expression. This 2x plus 5y is also an expression. So we can combine constants, variables, or even expressions using various operations to form expressions. Now let us take some more examples. Here this is also an expression. So the first term 2y cube. First of all, y is multiplied with itself 3 times. Then the product is multiplied with 2. So 2y cube is one term. X is multiplied with itself. Again that product is multiplied with 7. 7x square is another term. And the third term is y. And these 3 terms or expressions are combined with other operations. For example, first 2 terms are combined with addition, and that sum is combined with the third term with a subtraction. Now here we are having 2 terms, y square and 17. They are combined with minus. Now here also we are having 3 multiplied with x power 2 by 3. That is one term. And the other term is x square. They are combined with minus. And here we are having x power minus 1 combined with another term 5 with a plus symbol. Now what are the polynomials? Now consider the expressions in which the powers of the variables are whole numbers. Like you see 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2 and 0. Now here if you observe the powers, okay, the second term power is fine 2, but the first term power is 2 by 3. And if you see the last expression, it is having power minus 1, and you can write the constant 5 as 5 into x power 0, because you all know x power 0 is 1. So 0 is fine, but minus 1 is not a whole number. So consider only the variables or the expressions involving the variables having powers which are whole numbers. The first one satisfying the condition, second one satisfying the condition, third one also satisfying the condition. But fourth one, if you observe the first term, it is having power 2 by 3. So it is not satisfying the condition. That is, we want the powers of the variables to be whole numbers. The condition is not satisfied. Remove it. The last one also not satisfying because power of x is minus 1. Remove it. So a polynomial is an expression in which all the powers of variables are whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now how can you classify polynomials? So we can classify polynomials based on how many terms the polynomial is containing. Look at this polynomial. It is having single term and it is having 2 terms, and the third one is having 3 terms. So a polynomial having only one term is called monomial. A polynomial having 2 terms is called binomial, and a polynomial having 3 terms is called trinomial. Of course, you can extend it to polynomial having 4 terms. You can call it as quadrinomial, etc. But if you can understand up to trinomial, that is good for health. We can also classify polynomials based on the degree, that is power of the variable. Now consider this. Here the power of the variable is 1, whereas in the second example we are having power of the variables like constant. 1 can be written as 1 into y power 0. So power is 0 is there, power 1 is there, power 2 is there. And the third one we are having highest power or highest degree 3. So you can see the powers here. The different powers are power 3 is there, power 2 is there, power 1 is there, and power 0 is there. So highest power or highest degree is 3. Now if you observe, in the first polynomial, the highest degree is 1. So we call it as first degree polynomial or linear polynomial. In the second polynomial, the highest degree is 2. So we call it as quadratic polynomial or polynomial of degree 2. And in the third example, highest degree is 3. We call it as third degree polynomial or cubic polynomial. So this is how we can classify polynomials. We can classify polynomials based on how many terms the polynomial contains. Secondly, we can classify polynomials based on the degree, the highest degree appearing in the polynomial.